To make the Busri Gurwali roti, first you need a soft dough. For that you need 2 cups of wheat flour. You can use the white flour, but here I am using the wheat flour. Into that you have to add some water and some salt to taste and knead a simple soft dough. Now gradually add the water to knead a soft dough. Once you get this kind like consistency, you can add a little bit of oil and knead again for 4 to 5 minutes. And then rest your dough for at least 30 minutes. Meanwhile, you have to chop the gur. Make sure to do it very small pieces. Do not use the gur powder. Use the regular gur and chop it very thinly as much as possible. Now take your dough and make its round balls. Shape them, make them like a roti. Do this step very slowly and make 2 gold rotis. Once you get this roti, add your chopped gur in between. Make sure to not overfill the roti. And once you settle down all the gur, place your another roti on the top of it and cover it very gently. Make sure to close all the sides. There should be no open sides, otherwise the gur will split on your pan. So make sure to cover very tightly. Now it's time to cook. Put this on your tawa or pan and cook it properly from the one side. When it's get a little bit done on the one side, you have to flip it over and put some ghee on it. Now it's your choice if you want to put ghee or oil, but I would prefer to add ghee on it. Cook till your roti gets crispy from both of the sides, then remove it from the pan and put it in your plate. Top it with a lot of butter and enjoy. This is extremely delicious recipe. You guys must need to try out because this tastes incredible. It's one of the best recipes that you can try in winters. If you try it, then do let me know in the comments and also subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.